Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel I will share with you all knowledge and skills of mathematics, where you will be able to learn something new, and I will also share with you some other things in other related fields. Today's topic is to show you how tangent square x plus 1 equal to secant square x. Let's get to the video. We're going to prove that tangent square x equal to, tangent square x plus 1 equal to tangent square x. Our question is, prove that prove that tangent square x plus 1 equal to secant square x, like this. We're going to work out and see whether all of these sides will be equal. We have to show that tangent square x plus 1 equal to secant square x. Here we can say that we know that tangent square x is equal to sine square x sine square x we're going to divide by cosine square x. It is sine square x divided by cosine square x. After knowing this formula of tangent square x, we're going to take tangent square x plus 1. And another expansion, we also know that secant square x this one is equal to 1 divided by cosine square x. It is 1 divided by cosine square x. After knowing all this, we are going to take tangent square x plus 1 and see whether it will be equal to secant square x. We're going to take sine square x we're going to divide by cosine square x. Then we are going to plus 1 Let's see if it will be secant square x. We know that the value of secant square x, it is 1 divided by cosine square x. Here we're going to see that we're going to find the lowest common multiple on the right hand side of this equation. Then we will have sine square x we're going to have sine square x over cosine square x plus plus 1 over 1. We're going to divide by 1 so that we can be able to find the lowest common multiple of this equation on the left hand side. All of this is equal to 1 divided by secant square x. Secant square x. As you can see, the lowest common multiple on the right hand side of this equation is going to be cosine square x. Then on the right hand side we will have sine square x divided by cosine square x then plus, if we take cosine square x, I'm sorry guys, I'm not familiar with this app, but we're going to have sine square x plus cosine square x, because we know that if we take cosine square x divided by 1, then we will have cosine square x, then take cosine square x times 1. The answer will be cosine square x. Then we have sine square x plus cosine square x plus cosine square x divided by cosine square x cosine square x. All of this is, we're going to see if it is equal to 1. I'm sorry guys, I have committed a mistake here. It's not secant square x, but it is cosine square x. As you know, the value of cosine square x, I mean secant square x, it's equal to 1 divided by cosine square x. Here we have cosine square x. Okay, it's an error I have committed. Going to excuse me for that. Then we will have sine square x plus cosine square x divided by cosine square x, which is going to be equal to we have to see that it will be equal to secant square x. As you can see, we have to do it until we find the final answer, where we have to see that it will be equal to secant square x. All of these must be equal to 1 divided by cosine square x. That is the question we are required to prove. To prove whether it will be equal to secant square x. From the basic formulas of trigonometry, know that sine square x plus cosine square x, this is equal to 1. As you can see on the right hand side, our numerator is going to be 1. Then we'll be left with sine square x plus cosine square x this is equal to 1, as I said. Then we don't have to write all of this for the second time. We're going right ahead to our answer, where we have 1 over cosine square x you're going to have 1 over cosine square x it is 1 over cosine square x which is equal to 1 over cosine square x again. As you can see, now we have 1 over cosine square x on the right hand side and 1 over cosine square x on the left hand side. Here our question has already been proved. This is the final answer, where we have 1 over cosine square x, which is equal to 1 over cosine square x. Now we can say that it has already been proved. Okay, thank you guys. This is my first video and I'm not familiar with this up button on my second video. I can assure you that there will be some improvement, and I like you guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will continue to follow my channel for more skills about mathematics and all other fields that are really helpful in our daily life. I hope we'll see you soon.